26th of May this 2021 we faced the first lunar eclipse, and today, that is on 10th of June in the afternoon, we have this first solar eclipse. The details and the timings are mentioned in the description box for the remedies, for the mantras to chant also. But this won't be visible in India except for few parts of the northern India, and most of it is going to be visible in Canada or South Africa and other regions. So today's topic is on the soul factor. Now 10 days affirmation were based on the psychological factors, on the lunar effects, and another 10 days are based on the solar factor, that is on the energy level, the physiological factors. And also, since it happens to be Shani Jayanti and no moon day and also the eclipse. So before I proceed further, I welcome you all to my channel TT Trance, a mystical journey of spiritual awakening. A very good morning to each one of you all. Myself, Tina Thakkar, from a journey of a fashion designer to a tarot card reader, a vlogger, a Reiki healer and a spiritual guide. So today's affirmation is based on soul level, that is on Sun, Man, Chit. I am extremely sorry for not keeping a bit well and just under weather and a bit low on the energy part, but I will try my level best to be with the topic and the affirmation for today. We all live in the materialistic world. We don't know where the life is heading, but for some they have this journey which they understand that they have a purpose in life, which is a soul purpose. Like they want to do something but they don't know what is the soul satisfaction. And for this, these eclipse and these celestial body transformations are most important. Many links and these sites and these channels are flashing for these solar effects, and oh, it is the Grahan part and one should be scared of. Well, let me tell you that the solar effect is when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, and the earth gets detox. So it is the mother earth which is detox from these heavy negative energies. And then why we want to blame for these effects and defects then? In fact, just like how the mother and the father is united with the children, the same way it is the unification of the sun and the moon, two extreme celestial bodies, and they are releasing their energies, which is so beautiful at par. So those who are on the path of spiritual journey and spiritual awakening, this is the best time for the soul cleansing, detoxification of this soul for the higher purpose of growth in our life, for the higher journey, because the vibrations, the energy is so high that it takes us to the higher level. It is the awakening of the soul. Also, people say, oh, I am looking out for the soulmate and soul partner. So they don't know what is exactly the soulmate and soul partner. Why there is the exchange of marriage rings on this finger? That is because this part, this mount is for the sun. This finger is for the sun. Sun also means Atman or the heart, and this is related to the heart and the Atman. So the left finger, it is for the females to exchange, and the right finger is for the males. Now also that those who are wearing ruby, which is for the benefit of sun, those who have weaker sun in their planetary positions and they want to wear ruby or manik. So this finger, the ring finger, is suitable for the gemstone ruby or manik, but it is always any gemstones are to be worn on the left side for the left hand for the females and right hand for the males. It is mandatory. Why? Because the left hand has the feminine energy and the right hand has the masculine energy, and this is how we are designed with the biological factor and the energy. So that is the reason these ring exchange are accordingly. and we don't know, and when we talk about the soul partner, also when we don't know about the soul purpose, but we are just living in the journey. So this is it for the soul level. So today's affirmation from the Deal Breaker 21-day challenge morning affirmation day 7 is: I am in alignment with my soul purpose and fully devoted to my passion for the highest good of life. I repeat, I am in alignment with my soul purpose and fully devoted to my passion for the highest good of life. I am in alignment with my soul purpose and fully devoted to my passion for the highest good of life. So one needs to align your self with the soul level. In order to have the spiritual growth in life, you need to understand your passion. It's not that you just need to come out of the way of your regular materialistic world and go on this path, just be like a monk or saint. No, whatever your soul satisfaction is there, but do it with passion. Follow it for the highest level of your journey, for the higher real, for the upgradation of your soul level, the journey of your soul growth. So this is it based on soul and sun. And tomorrow I shall come up with a new affirmation. Till then, I end this video with attitude of gratitude.